Sovema Marking and Coding Systems Co. Limited was founded in 1995 and entered into the sector with producing packaging machines. The company has always aimed to be first to produce what is not produced in Turkey. In 2007, Sovema determined the needs of the sector and formed a team to produce thermal transfer overprinters, which is what the sector needed. After 3 years of R&D, Sovema successfully produced its first TTO, which was also a first for Turkey. With increasing requests from customers, Sovema decided to mass produce its printers in 2010. Our company established on a total area of 10,500 square meters with a closed area of 7,000 square meters with a total of 80 employees. Today, our company's main purpose is to meet all kinds of needs in thermal transfer overprinter market. For this purpose, Sovema has 32mm, 53mm, 107mm and 128mm intermittent and continuous TTOs in its product portfolio. Besides these products, Sovema has traverse thermal transfer printers and feeder and conveyor belt systems that can be used with TTO and inkjet systems. Our company recently started to develop and produce labeling products since 2022 and added label dispensers and label applicators to its product range. At Sovema, the first step is to decide which product is to be produced based on customer requests. After that, mechanical and electronic feasibility of the determined product is discussed. If possible, the prototype of the product is produced. After the production is proved to be doable, it goes to mass production planning. Everything in mass production is done through drawings. Electronic and mechanical production drawings are designed and finalized with contemporary softwares. CAM work is done on CNC machines for mechanical production. Board producing is outsourced, with production drawings made by Sovema. Board orders are given on a monthly basis depending on demand. Produced and ordered materials gets recorded and stored. The required mechanical parts are supplied from the stock and the mechanical assembly gets done within the production schedule. The next step is quality control of the mechanical assembly. After produced materials passes quality control, they are sent to the test room for software installation. In the test room, the compatible software is installed to the machines. After that, thermal printers are tested for at least 48 hours and the final control is made by staff. After passing quality control, printers are sent to the packaging department for shipment. Sovema printers are the most effective way to print variable barcodes, text and graphics, real-time, sell-by dates, batch numbers, prices, source codes, and much more information on flexible packaging film and labels. In addition to this, our company is integrating new solutions to Syesys software such as ZPL2 emulator, CodeSoft support, and Windows drivers. The company has a global presence in 110 countries with more than 140 distributors. Sovema is qualified to have CE certificates as it is following internationally accepted quality criteria for its products. 24/7 technical support for customers is provided via our distributors.